Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is our part 2 of our previous repair. I hope my camera will not freezing again. Maybe this time our camera is already fixed. Uh, I hope my camera will not doing anything wrong. So sorry for interruption for our previous video, but right now I continue to fix this motherboard. So okay, let's go ahead. So before that, no, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Consider to subscribe. It's going to on my YouTube account. I mean my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe. This is it. Yeah, this is it, guys. So this is the part 1 of our troubleshooting right now. So this is the part 2. So you need to watch the part 1. What are the I found in that particular diagnose. So right now let's continue the diagnosis. Okay, so this is the motherboard. So in part 1 I show you there's a short circuit on B plus power rail, the sensing current sensing resistors. So right now we'll continue to doing that. So the sensing resistor is here. This is the sensing resistor right here. This is the sensing resistor. So if I test using my tester, the red probe in the ground, the black probe in the sensing, and it show us there's a short circuit. The short circuit still there. Look at that. Yeah, that's a short circuit. So meaning the 19 volts is still short. So on my visual check, I found out there's a ceramic capacitor over here. Wait a minute. Coughing hot. This is the ceramic capacitor I found that short circuit. Look at this. Look at this. I hope on camera you'll see the ceramic capacitor is busted. So I'm going to use my binocular microscope, and this is busted. So maybe this is the connected to the 19 volts power rail. So right now going to remove that using our hot air. Our hot air is this one. This is our hot air. This is Sugun 2009D model. So it's nice. It's nice hot air, but not the best hot air on market. So okay. Alright, I'm going to remove first the ceramic capacitor. Shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood natin dito na po. Susunod po if you want to shout out your name, just comment our comment section. I will shout out you, your shop or your name. Depends on you. Okay. So busted. Right. The ceramic capacitor is I already removed it. So this is the ceramic capacitor. For your vision, we shall see you. This is the ceramic capacitor. I found out busted. Look, this one. That ceramic. So to confirm, using our tester on diode mode, so okay, so this is for short. Okay, so for this one, all right, it's not short. Okay, it's not short. Pasok to, ilak mo yan, ilak mo. Ilak ako yung nagre-record. Doon ko muna kay mami mo. Okay. So I test the sensing. The short is still here. It looks like a short on the ceramic capacitor, but it's not short. Right, so going to test this one. It's short. It's okay. I will inject 3 volts power supply. So using my voltage injection here, right. There is a method to show where's the short circuit in just seconds or minutes. So use this one. So the power supply is still leaking. Okay. It's tricky. The ceramics capacitor looks busted, but it's not short. So it's tricky. No. So I need to isolate it again to find out where's the short circuit. So I will inject 3 volts on sensing resistor, and we'll see what's getting hot. Okay. What's the good ground? Good ground. Yeah. Right. Sensing. Okay. On my DC bench shows 0.8 amps. So right now where's there's another one, looks like a busted, but I don't know is this busted or not. Ceramic capacitor. I'll make it 5 volts. 4.4 volts. Okay. So 1 ohm. Where's the short coming? Right. Oh, come on. It's a lot of getting hot here. Using visual check right now. I need to search this IC. Maybe there's a short circuit here on front. Acer V5. So I want to search PU4101. 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 Okay, so this is main reg. If this is a main regulator or not. Okay, this is a main regulator. So I'm going to inject on this on what kind of mouse is this? PU4103. PU4103. Where's the PU4103? I don't have board view for this one. PU4103. Where's that? PU4101. This. It's so hard if you don't have a board view. PU4102. PU4102. Where is that PU4102? PU4102. Right. So I'm going to manual and I'll short it again. So in sensing. So using this kind of technique. It's getting hot. Where's the getting hot? Alright. Oh. Is this what kind is this? That's the main rig. To use my camera. I use my binocular scope for identify what component is that. I need to remove main rig IC for checking. This is not busted, but I think this is leak. I need to remove first. Okay, right now using my hot air. Right. I hope my camera will not freezing again. I ordered new one on Lazada, but it comes from China, so I need to wait more than a week. And I see why not remove quickly. Oh, come on. Yeah, we'll remove it. I already removed it. This is the main rig IC. This is the ceramic capacitor that I think is busted, but it's not according to the tester. So to clean my tweezer. Right, using my tester, we'll test again if there's a short circuit. If the short is gone, so it was the sensing resistor using diode mode. So I put it here. So still there's a short. Lot of damages. Why? lot of damages. 38. 38. This one. Oh, come on. Is this? There's a lot of damages. This? What happened to the motherboard? A lot of ceramic capacitor busted. This one is look busted, but on the tester is not. Why is this happen? Oh, it's covered. Alis nga kayo dito ako nagpa-vlog. Okay. Need to clean. I don't have a thermal camera. Alright. Okay, I'll check it again on sensing. 38. We'll inject. Okay. Now we'll make it 5 volts, 7 volts, 8 volts. Up. What's that? There's a, what do you call this one? Smoke. There's some smoke. There's smoke. Okay, there's a smoke here. Alright. Mm-hmm. 5 volts. Why if I going to bend this one? To find out what's going on with this motherboard. I removed the CPU core IC. I already moved the main rig IC. It's a lot of damages. Okay, alright. Okay. What happening? $62. Still have a short, partial short on the main rig. On the main rig, 62, 87. Oh, come on. This one, 5. This one. What is this one? PL4501. Oh, the battery is going low on my laptop. Right. So PL. This one, PL4501. PL4501. Okay. So this is 1 volt power. So that's why this is shows this is for, this is suspend. Yeah, this is for Okay, this one is normal. How about PL4102? 4102. So this is 5 volts, but the 5 volts shows there's a leak, right? Okay, so there's 63, 89. This is good. So there's a short already. Uncheck 3 volts and 5 volts supply, 3 volts on 5 volt supply, and look on the motherboard and DC bench. Just me. Okay, how about 4.8? I'll make 4.8. Oh, come on. This tricky one. Don't have a. Maybe I need to increase the voltages. Stop. So I need to find the IC because 5 volts. What kind of IC is this? 51225. I think I have a 51225. So let's find out if we have a 51225. Yeah, there is. I have IC 51225. I have IC. So this is my IC. So same code on this TPS 51125 on datasheet. I need to put a new IC here because if I inject 8 volts and higher on the sensing resistor, because we don't have a IC on main regulator, so the main reg circuit goes wild, because there's a theory, because the theory here, if you don't have a IC, there's no control on the gate on the upper MOSFET on the main regulator. So I need to put a IC first. So what size is this? It's the same size or not? I have here. Oh, the same size. I think this is good IC. Okay, so this is the TPS 51125. Look at here. Yeah, TPS 51125. Okay, need to put. Alright, so this is the I think bad. So the label one here on actual, the label one is over here. Is the label one in the arrow code. There's an arrow here on the lower corner, right? Lower corner here is the label one, and it's counterclockwise for the pin 1, from starting pin 1 to the other, so counterclockwise. I need to put it first. to control the gate of this MOSFET. Asawa kong gulo, nagbablog ako. Asaway talaga to. Ay! Wala akong pera dito. Yung gugulo eh. Ginagawa. Okay. Need to put a flux. Right. Need to put. Oh, come on, what happened? Yeah. Okay. So if you are going back the IC for new IC, you need to hot air very careful because a lot of resistor around the IC to prevent the resistor throwing out. Right. Okay, I already put a new IC, brand new IC, TPS 5-1-1-2-5. So I have already it. What kind of IC is this? 5-1-2-5. So I have a lot of IC. Okay. Alright. Need to clean it. Clean this one. Yeah. Okay, let's check it out. The main goal of this is tao yung vlog ako eh. Kung ba ako inaasar? Oh, the sensing resistor. Oh, come on. Okay. So it shows short again. I need to find out where's it going, what is the cause. I need to check this LDO. Where's the LDO here? So that need to check this pin number 3. This is for LDO 3. The pin number 3 of main reg. Is getting hot, the IC. I need to remove it again. The IC. Okay. So okay. Remove it again. So this is the difficult part of isolating a problem. Don't worry, this motherboard is for scrap. So I hoping we gonna fix this one. This is the new IC. This is good IC because this is brand new. Okay. Put it back here. I need to check the what is called this one. the LDO3 pin number 3 of main reg IC, the pin number 3. Okay, pin number 3 on diode mode. Need to check it. So this one. Okay, 1 2 3 is the pin 3. So this is good, but if I inject 3 volts, if I inject 3 volts on LDO3, even 2.5 to 2.4, let's check if there's no high ampere. I need to clean it. I don't see clearly. 1 2 3. One, two, three. Okay, there's a 1 2 3. What's the truck here? Maybe need to find the truck. One, two. It's a capacitor. Okay, we need to put a continuity mode on the tester. So this is connected. Right. So I need to inject this open side. Okay, it's a 1 volt, 1.1 volt. Okay, 3 and check. I will check it and this one VRIG 13 LDO5 13 on the actual 5 10 11 12 13. Okay, 13 5 10 11 12 13. There's no short. It's good, but how about this P goods number 7, P good 7, power good 7. 5 6 7. Okay. Point 2. But on my sensing, there's a still on sensing versus what happened. There's 3 amperes on sensing resistor. Was it getting hot? Yan. Meron. Okay, I think there is a short. Where's that circuit? That's short. Look at my DC bench. Look at on my DC bench. So if I inject 3 volts in sensing, it shows 3 amperes so high. So there's a short. So I need to find out what kind of components that, what happened. Kanina pa ako nag-i-inject yun, ilan lumabas. Oh, come on, processor. Is this processor? Oh, come on. The processor's getting hot. And chipset. Init. Yung taga pag walang thermal cam. Mga ganito. Alright. So, but may init yun dito. PU4301. May init. Bato. Start na naman maghang aking ano ah. May init tong proxy, pero mas mainit tong ano na to, MOSFET. Possible baka mayroon leak dito. Check natin kung mayroon. Check ko muna sa ito guys, if connected siya sa ground. So ito kasi may init siya. So this is getting hot, this MOSFET. I need to check on the date on the schematic. This is PU301. PU301. Port 3 pala. Port 3. Port 301. Ito ba siya? PU port 301. So double ano siya? Double MOSFET, dual MOSFET. So yun, connected dito. So this is schematic. The PU4301 is connected on the B plus here on sensing resistor. So this will release the VCC core. So CPU core here. So if your reading is 1 from this sequence, so this the PU301 is dual MOSFET. So it's connected on the ground here, and this MOSFET is connected on the 19 volts power rail here from sensing resistor. So is this if there's a short here, the sensing resistor have on our tester, we measure a short circuit. So to open this one, from this U gate, you see that's upper gate signal here is coming from the Vcore IC. The IC first we removed already. That this came from. So I need to what's called this one. I need to remove first this PU301 if there's have a short on the sensing resistor. Why you're showing right now, not on earlier. I already inject, but you're too late to show. Okay, using hot air. Okay, remove it first. And we will see if the sensing resistor is still short again. Still have a short if I remove this one. Dual MOSFET. Oh, so thick. Hey, why are not? Ba ito? Tagal naman. Ito lumambot. Yun. Okay. I already removed a dual MOSFET. So this is the dual MOSFET. And I will check it on our sensing resistor. It's still a short. A lot of component I remove. Lot. Okay. 61. Still have a leaking problem. 62. I need to wait the motherboard's cooling down. This is the hard part being a technician, to isolate a lot of component. You need to try to find out what components getting leak on diode 0.061. If you have a thermal camera, you will identify it very quickly. This one, look, 0.062. So it's not a good reading. The good value is 150 up. Right. You still have a short. Nah. 81. Check on ohms. So good resistant, good. So this good too. 0.6, 2.3, 2.6 on the processor. It's good. Okay. Okay, where's the possible short circuit? Okay, I will check it again and again. Sensing. Okay, and where's what's this? Okay, the ampere's going higher up, so I need to remove the Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi. I need to find it was sensing resistor. Okay, only sensing. What ganon? Wala ko dito. 0.3 on our DC bench locus 1. It shows 0.03 in the sensing resistor if you inject. Okay. If I back the Wi-Fi receiver, what going happen? Right? I back the Wi-Fi receiver and then try it. You saw that? Oh, come on. Look. If I remove the Wi-Fi receiver, the Wi-Fi card, if the Wi-Fi card is still in the socket, in the sensing resistor show us 0.3. Oh, okay. Look what happened this one. It's tricky. What happened? Tricky. I don't have a thermal camera for identifying what component is causing that 0.03. Alright. So look. Magkakos ka. Okay. Okay, so what pin is the gate? So the gate signal here is pin number 1 on PO301. Okay, check it manually. So the pin number 1 here, where's the pin number 1? So over here, this is the pin number 1. I'll check it, the dual MOSFET 1. So the drain, this is the source, 2 is a drain, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, check it. There's a leak here. The pin 1 and 2, based on this schematic, it's not connected up. All right, here it's not connected. The pin 1 and pin 2 is not connected, right? So this is no, it's connected, because here, maybe here. Oh, what is this? What is this? This blank space. So connected kasi ground? No, it's not connected on ground. Pin 1.8. Try pin 1.8. So this is okay, so same. KOL. So this is good. Still good. The dual MOSFET is still good. So it's OL, source drain. Okay, if I reverse the probe, 455, still good. Okay, but 62. Okay, good. All right, so this is short. What this one short? This is B plus. How about this one? Ground. So I'm testing the ceramic capacitor. What kind is this? PC45 PC4517 PC4517. Sorry, PC4517. Wire you're connected to ground here. TL4501. So this is the earlier PL4501. This one, 1 volt. This inductor. So here, okay, so really good. No, what is one? Still good. This looks like a corroded, but not, still good. $119. And maybe this is a good, but if I going back the IC here, what would happen? pin 1. Okay, pin 1. Okay. Oh. The MOSFET, I need to bring back and observe the sensing if there's have a short. Oh, I need to increase the air. I need to put a flux. Alright. Okay, I already back it. And I will test the sensing resistor. If measure is 0.062 or 60. On diode mode, still have a short here. So you see that what happened? So the if I buck the MOSFET of PU, what's it? PU4301, the sensing resistor PU4301, the sensing resistor have a short circuit on this PCB out here. So maybe the short circuit here on the VCC core PL4301. Where's the PL4301? And the actual, the PL4301 is so this is the PL4301. This is the the inductor here. This is the PL4301 for the CPU. So this is the PL4301, the inductor for VCC supply for the CPU. So I'm going to do now is to the other side of coil. I need to hang it for knowing if the chipset is already short, right? So this method is for isolation purposes. Okay, so my T26, I'm using a T26 soldering iron. Yeah, this is my T26. Yeah, this one, yeah. So okay, So I need to hang the other side of the inductor coil to identify if our chipset is already short circuit. Okay, for this method, so I need to use this one LED. So my LED is real life LED, so diameter is 0.6 millimeter. It's good for laptop. So I need to hang the other side, it's the one side of the inductor. Okay, so I already hung it. Look, this inductor I already hang it. For testing our sensing resistor, if have a short circuit, still have a short circuit. So where's my tester here? Okay. So my tester reading a 0.0061. If I connected the other side of the inductor, the sensing resistor become a 0.000. So maybe the CPU are short circuit. So to identify that, so you have concluded, and we need to test the CPU issue using ohms here. So need put this one, the other side. Okay, so this is the sensing. So we measure the this one. Yeah, this one on ohms, black from the ground. The one side shows 120 kilo ohms. I mean 120 ohms. It's good, but the other side reading 2.4 ohms. So this is for the CPU, right? This is for the CPU. CPU. Okay. So right now I'm going I'm going to inject 0.8 volts for the CPU supply. Okay, where's my here? Okay, look at what happened. 0.70. Here.
Invitation letter.
Kanino?
Sila alam sa mga nauna na pa eh.
Sabi mo dito na lang.
Ay, nandun na. Napansin nila. Hoy! Daga!
Alright, so I have a facing a I'm facing a troubleshooting. I think so. The VCC car already short, but on my injection it shows on the ampere. If I inject, this is the 1 volt. I know this is the 1 volt. Alright, let me try 1 volt or 0.9, 0.7. If you have a thermal camera, if you inject that using thermal cameras, you will know quickly what's the causing the 0.8 amperes. Not here. On 0.9. So the CPU is getting warmer. Okay, the CPU is getting warmer. CPU issue. This is a CPU issue. Okay, this is CPU issue. Because if I inject 0.9, the ampere, the other DC bench going to 0.9, 1 ampere in short. The good CPU, it shows is 0.5 below. Maybe this causing CPU issue because in the first video I already diagnosed this. I smell smoke on the CPU core IC. The CPU core IC is busted, so maybe some point of what call this one damage the voltage bypassing it, and the other suspend voltage here. So CPU issue. If I connected it, the sensing resistor is getting warmer again. The sensing resistor become shortcut again. Okay, I'm going to back it. This is CPU issue. There's nothing to worry about here. This is a scrap board. This is scrap. I using this for vlog for diagnosing only. Next video for this one, I have a customer item there's no display. Remember on the first video we have a customer came to our store and he wants to check up, and I check up his laptop and I found out there's a motherboard issue. So the next video I will vlog the customer item. So okay, our job is already done. This CPU core issue, so I don't need to hesitate it. So thank you for watching this one. So a lot of damages, so a lot of troubleshooting you need to do, a lot of time we need to contain for isolation of problem. So this is bye for now. See you for the next video. All right, thank you.